Hi YouTube, welcome back. Today's video is chaotic. I hope it doesn't seem like that when I get around to editing it in the actual video, but the parts that I did not film, oh my god, today has been a mess. But my name is Nikki, this is my channel, welcome to it. I swear a lot. I have a hard time looking at the camera. I'm new to filming, but I've been doing makeup since too long. But today I did this look using the Nomad Haunted Europe palette, which is just absolutely stunning. Yeah, I can't wait to go into the greens at some point, but green is just a scary color for me and I don't know why. But yeah, if you want to see how I did this look, keep watching. I look incredibly rough right now. That is because I cried right before I went to bed because of how much I miss my grandpa. So yeah, I don't recommend crying before bed because it really just F's up your face for the next day. Also, if you hear a noise in the background, that is my fan because I need air movement or I will die. I think to start, I'm going to put a little bit of this Frankenstein, this orange, in the crease. So, random talking topic. Does anybody else feel like their family secretly hates them? Or at least extended family? Because that's how I feel about, like, a good portion of them. I don't hate them. I feel like they hate me. Because, like, sometimes I can be talkative, and I understand that. And then I feel like they're, like, always, like judging me, maybe? I don't know. But I do feel like the people, like, my cousins and whatnot on my dad's side, don't like me. Which I think is insane because, like, I always end up watching all their kids at, like, holidays. And then they can't even say hi to me. Also, I feel like my lighting is a little yellow. But that's also something that I can figure out at another time because would I have the money to fix that? No, probably not. No. So, another time. I'm gonna go in with this. I'm not even, like, my brain's not working well enough for me to be able to say that, but I'll put it on the screen. But it's just, like, burnt orangish red. And I am going to be putting that again in the crease to deepen it out a little and blending it with the other orange. And now I'm going to take a little bit of this Count Dracula, my god, Count Dracula, and put it in the crease again to darken it out a little. Now I'm going to be going in with this shade called Drags Home Castle. It's a nice brown, like chocolate brown. I'm putting that right in here. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of this Mary King's Clothes, this neutral shade, and put it all a little bit right in here so I can have a base to put a little bit of this shade called Boogeyman and maybe a little bit of, again, not even going to attempt to say the word, but I'll put it on the screen. I just finished doing the other eye. Yeah, I did that for TikTok. And now I'm gonna quickly do my foundation, mascara, all that. And then I'll come back to finish the look. Okay, now that I have most of my face done, I'm gonna put a little bit of these and maybe that. I haven't really decided on the under eye. Now this is the completed look. I did foundation, just the whole face, off camera because I don't know. I don't know. I felt like doing it. I felt like I did it before. People are only here for the eyeshadow. People probably aren't even here for that. All because I just begged them to watch. But thank you for watching if you made it this far. This is the look that I did using my favorite Nomad palette. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. But thank you for watching if you made it this far. This is the look that I did using my favorite Nomad palette. It's so pretty. It's so pretty.